Toyota Vellfire Aphard 2008 to 2013 version, 2014 version. Install Convex 10.1 inch 8-core 4GB RAM with 32GB storage, Android big screen. So it's modified fixed in 10.1 inch, screen fixed outside panel frame by universal backlight, OEM socket plug and play. Setting, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. System, so Android version 8.0, 8-core 4GB RAM. So it's got a 3 USB slot, USB extension we put in the drawer, a radio, steering control, Bluetooth call and A2TP Bluetooth music, steering control, equalizer, easy connect mirror link selected phone model, video input and video output, apps downloaded from Play Store. So Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or clear all. It's a full menu. Okay, so this is Convex 10.1 inch 4GB RAM, 8-core big screen Android player. Installed in Toyota Alphard, Toyota Vellfire. Installed by 1 week. Thank you.